Follow these steps when using UniGuard to remove used pen needles. Do not push the pen into the UniGuard tip first. Hold the device between the thumb and the forefinger. Lower the pen into the device until it clicks. Press forward until it clicks again. Squeeze the device between the thumb and the forefinger to grip the pen needle hub. Unscrew the pen from the used pen needle. Lock the pen needle into place by clicking the flap until it clicks. Dispose of the UniGuard in a sharps bin in accordance with local regulations.